Hello everyone. Today we make a lesson summary for hormonal regulation. Let's we start it. Hello everyone. Today we make a lesson summary for hormonal regulation. Blood sugar level, glycemia. Blood sugar level refers of the concentration of glucose in the blood. Glucose is a simple sugar and the primary energy source for the body cells, especially the brain and muscles. Maintaining a stable blood glucose level is essential of proper cellular function and overall body health. A normal fasting blood sugar levels range between 0.7 gram per liter or 1.2 gram per liter. Any deviation from this range may lead to disorders such as hyperglycemia or hyperglycemia. 2. The blood sugar regulation system. The regulation of blood glucose is a homeostatic mechanism controlled by the endocrine endocrine function of the pancreas. Within the pancreas are clusters of cells called the islets of Langerhans, which contains beta cells that secrete insulin, a hormone that reduces blood sugar levels, alpha cells that release glucagon, a hormone that increases blood sugar levels. These hormones act in opposition to maintain balance and are released depending on the body needs. 3. Regulation in case of hyperglycemia, high blood sugar. After a marriage in carbohydrate, blood glucose level increase. A response beta cells secrete insulin, which promotes glucose uptake by liver, muscle, and adipose fat tissue, stimulates the conversion of excess glucose into glycogen in the liver and the muscles, a process known as a glycolysis. Encourages glucose use for energy production. As a result, blood sugar level gradually decrease back to the normal range. 4. Regulation case of hyperglycemia, low blood sugar. During prolonged fasting, intense physical activity, or insufficient carbohydrate intake, blood glucose drops. In this case, alpha cells release glucagon, which stimulates gluconeolysis, the breakdown of glycogen stored in in the liver into glucose, may also promote glycogenesis, the formation of glucose from non-carbohydrates sources like amino acids releases glucose into the bloodstream, which helps restore normal glycemia. In the conclusion, the regulation of blood glucose is a delicate and vital process that ensures the body cells, especially in the brain, receive a continuous energy supply. Insulin and glucagon se- secreted by the pancreas are the key hormones that work in balance to correct deviations in blood glucose. Their antagonistic actions maintain a homeostasis, preventing serious metabolic disorders caused by prolonged high or low blood At the
Sugar
finish, don't
levels.
forget like and subscribe in our channel for new videos. At the finish, don't forget